Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to contact Upstart customer support for help in 2025. So if you need assistance with your loan, Upstart provides several ways to get in touch with their support team, and I'm going to show you those ways so you can take advantage of that if you need help. So let's get started. Now, the first is to call Upstart customer support. So this is best for urgent issues such as missed payments, fraud concerns, or account-based problems. So you can find the official phone number on Upstart's website, and you call during business hours. So you can go on to Upstart's website, that's www.upstart.com, and you can check out the official phone number right there, as well as the business hours. Next, also you can send an email for non-urgent issues. So use Upstart's official support email to inquire about loan details, document submissions, or just general questions. You want to make use of the email for that. So be clear and include relevant information such as your loan number and your specific request when you're sending an email. Of course, you can also find the email on Upstart's website. And third, you can use live chat if that's available. So some users may have access to live chat support on Upstart's website for quick responses. So if you have it available, it's a good idea, a good option to go with, and you can just chat with a representative and have them answer your questions. Also, you can visit Upstart Help Center. So Upstart offers an FAQ section that covers common topics like payments, eligibility, and loan terms. So this is a good place to check before calling support, because what you want to inquire about may have already been answered here. So you can just find the answer. You don't need to bother to call the customer service. Lastly, you want to follow up on your request. So if you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, you can follow up via email or by phone. You just send them another email, or you can just call them back again, and keep track of your support ticket number for references. So assuming you've contacted them before and gotten a ticket number, you could just keep that, and when you contact them again, you want to provide that same ticket number for reference. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.